Welcome to English Speak Podcast.
Learn with English Podcast Corner.
Hello, friends. Welcome to English for Fun. I'm Jerry.
And I'm Jhon. How are you today?
We hope you're ready for some English practice because today's topic is hobbies, the things we love to do in our free time.
That's right. Today we will talk about reading, sports, drawing, painting, music, and more. We'll practice listening, speaking, and learn new words.
Don't forget, there's a PDF in the description with today's full script, key vocabulary, and exercises. You can follow along while listening.
And please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. That way you never miss a new English practice story.
Okay, let's begin. First, a simple conversation. Listen carefully.
Hi, Jerry. What do you like to do in your free time?
Hello, Jhon. I like reading books. Reading is my favorite hobby.
That's great. I like playing football. I play football every weekend.
Oh, I like football too, but I usually watch football matches on TV.
Nice. Friends, let's learn some important words from this conversation. Hobby, an activity you enjoy in your free time. Example, my hobby is drawing. Repeat, hobby.
Free time, the time when you are not working or studying. Example, I read books in my free time. Repeat, free time.
Favorite, the thing you like most. Example, my favorite color is blue. Repeat, favorite.
Play, to do a game or sport. Example, I play football every Sunday. Repeat, play.
Watch, to look at something, usually on TV. Example, I watch football on TV. Repeat, watch.
Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. My hobby is reading books.
I play football every weekend.
I watch football matches on TV.
Excellent. Friends, repeat these sentences slowly and clearly.
Okay, let's continue. Listen carefully.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, I draw sometimes. I like drawing flowers, animals, and cartoons.
That's wonderful. I like painting. I paint landscapes and nature scenes in my free time.
Oh, I also like painting. Painting is relaxing and fun.
Friends, let's learn some new words. Draw, to make pictures with a pen or pencil. Example, I draw a cat. Repeat, draw.
Paint, to make pictures with colors. Example, I paint a tree. Repeat, paint.
Relaxing, something that makes you feel calm and happy. Example, listening to music is relaxing. Repeat, relaxing.
Fun, something enjoyable. Example, playing games is fun. Repeat, fun.
Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I draw flowers, animals, and cartoons.
I paint landscapes in my free time.
Painting is relaxing and fun.
Excellent. Keep practicing aloud.
Friends, let's add more hobbies today. Listen carefully. I like listening to music. Music makes me happy and relaxed.
That's nice. I also enjoy listening to music. I like pop music and classical music.
And I like cooking sometimes. Cooking is fun because I can try new recipes.
Oh, I like cooking too. My favorite dish to cook is pasta.
Vocabulary time. Listen to music. Enjoy sounds or songs. Example, I listen to music every day. Repeat, listen to music. Cook, cooking. Make food. Example, I cook pasta for dinner. Repeat, cook, cooking. Dish, a type of food. Example, my favorite dish is pizza. Repeat. Dish. Recipe. Instructions to make food. Example. I follow a recipe to cook cake. Repeat. Recipe.
Now, practice with me. I listen to music in my free time.
I like cooking new dishes.
My favorite dish is pasta.
Great job. Friends, try making your own sentences with your hobbies.
Now, let's do a short dialogue together. Repeat after us. John, as John. Hi, Jerry. What hobbies do you like? Jerry, as Jerry. Hi, John. I like reading books and drawing. What about you?
I like playing football and cooking.
Wow, that's interesting. I like cooking sometimes too.
Excellent. Friends, now discuss with yourself. What hobbies do you enjoy? Speak aloud. I like blank.
Repeat slowly. I like in my free time.
Keep practicing. Hobbies are a fun way to talk about yourself in English.
That's it for part 1.
In part 2, we will learn more hobbies, ask and answer questions, and have a fun interactive exercise to practice everything.
Welcome back, friends. Let's continue talking about hobbies.
Hi again. Now we'll talk about more hobbies and practice asking and answering questions. Listen carefully.
Hi, John. Do you like swimming?
Yes, I swim every Saturday. Swimming is very healthy.
That's nice. I like swimming too, but I go swimming only sometimes.
Friends, let's learn some new words. Swim, swimming. Move in water using your hands and feet. Example, I swim in the pool every weekend. Repeat, swim, swimming. Healthy, good for your body. Example, swimming is healthy. Repeat, healthy.
Now repeat with me. I swim every Saturday. Swimming is healthy.
Excellent. Keep saying these sentences aloud.
Let's practice asking questions about hobbies. Listen carefully.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading books. What about you?
I like playing football.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, cooking is fun.
Now you try. Ask yourself, what is your favorite hobby? Then answer, my favorite hobby is...
Remember to repeat slowly. My favorite hobby is... I like blank in my free time.
Now let's talk about listening and repeating a longer story about hobbies. Listen carefully. On Sunday, John wakes up early. He eats breakfast and goes to the park. He plays football with his friends. After football, he swims in the pool. In the afternoon, he cooks lunch and listens to music. In the evening, he draws a picture of the park.
Friends, let's stop and learn new words. Morning, afternoon, evening. Different times of the day. Example, I eat breakfast in the morning. Repeat, morning. Park. A place outside to walk, play, or relax. Example, I go to the park on Sunday. Repeat, park. Pool. A place to swim. Example, I swim in the pool. Repeat, pool.
Now practice together. I eat breakfast in the morning. I play football in the park. I swim in the pool. I listen to music in the afternoon. I draw pictures in the evening.
Excellent. Friends, you can imagine your day and describe your hobbies like this.
Let's do another interactive dialogue. Repeat after us. John as John.
Hi, Jerry. What do you do in your free time?
Jerry, as Jerry. Hi, John. I like painting and listening to music. What about you?
I like swimming, football, and cooking.
Wow, we have many hobbies in common. Now, let's review all the hobbies and phrases we learned today. Hobbies: reading, drawing, painting, playing football, swimming, cooking, listening to music. Phrases: my favorite hobby is, I like blank in my free time. Do you like blank? I play blank every weekend. Swimming is healthy. Painting is relaxing and fun.
Repeat these sentences slowly aloud. Speaking aloud helps your brain remember English.
Now it's time for a community question. Friends, write your answer in the comments.
What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Great question. Try to answer in full sentences. For example, the first thing I do in the morning is brush my teeth. Or, I eat breakfast first.
And remember to download the PDF in the description. It has today's script, vocabulary, and exercises to help you practice every day.
Amazing job today. You practiced listening, speaking, and learned many new hobbies and phrases.
Yes, keep smiling, speaking, and having fun with English.
See you next time for another story.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Keep learning and enjoy your English every day.